Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, original, one and only authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube imposters who claim they have a P.O. Box in Missouri or Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, when I have the only official P.O. Box for the guy from Pittsburgh. Or video commentators or trolls, and this is tonight's all video. Quarters in the previous video. Alright, here's what we got today. Now, I put away most of these because I'm not going to drag out 15 of these. Alright, we have Fancy Feast grilled, and there are varieties in the bag. Grilled turkey and chicken, cheddar cheese. We have grilled chicken and cheddar cheese. And we have grilled tuna and cheddar cheese. That's for my kitties. We have a tube of Colgate cavity-fighting toothpaste, which doesn't fight cavities because I've lost half my teeth or more. We have the generic El Cheapo cotton swabs. We have a piece of paper falling on the floor. Alright, we have one of the 4 jugs of cat litter I bought today, special kitty cat litter, 20 pounds. 2 things of Heinz tomato ketchup. A bottle of Lysol deodorizing cleaner for the cat box. 2 bottles of Seagram's ginger ale, very good ginger ale. 2 of my bottles of creamer. And let's see, a loaf of Sun-made raisin bread. A bag of Don Francisco's Kona brand blend coffee. There's a lawsuit because people are putting coffee saying it's got Kona in it. It doesn't, and Kona people are suing. 2 bags of oranges. A bag of Starbucks breakfast blend, medium roast coffee, very good coffee. There are 2, I'm not sure where the other one is right now. What's over there? 2 Thomas English muffins, cinnamon raisin. Got 2 of those. That's it for that. And we have more. I'm not going to grab the other 2. There's basically 4 jugs of cat litter here. 80 pounds. And we have 3 things of the ever popular toilet paper, the El Cheapo brand. And somewhere down here. Where? Oh. I have a thing of butter if I ever find it. And we have 3 containers, fed orangey, no Tiny and Talkie tonight, but Talkie got fed earlier, and Gray got fed, and Gray got fed again, and Mama Cat and Kitten got fed. 12 cups of Meow Mix tuna and shrimp flavor, and so we have 36 cups of Meow Mix for the outdoor kitties. And, oh yeah, here we go. I was going to get chili. They had a sale, and you had to buy 12 cans. And I got the wrong flavor because we couldn't see it. Kathy had disappeared, as is her wont in the store. So I had to turn it back in. And tomorrow I'm going to go back and get the chili. They had a sale on Dennison's chili, and I grabbed Hormel by mistake. And that was, 12 cans was $29.80. I got the money back, but got to take that back tomorrow. And also we have here, this was going to go with the chili. Where I put that butter. And we have a bag of Juanita's sweet chili chips. And I figured this was on sale, I'll dip it in the chili, but now I don't have any chili to dip in tomorrow. And that's it. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and Billy from Ohio. Thank you for subscribing and joining the channel. click on the bell to be notified of new videos. I'll be going live Friday at 6 o'clock for a donation video to help me buy the ticket to Alien Con. I have $85 in my AdSense account, and I need another 15. I think if I get 130, they send me 100, and that would almost pay for my ticket. So that's what I'm doing it for. If you come into the chat room and you're not donating, you will be blocked. I cannot really afford to pay for the ticket. I had to pay my iPad repairs so I could do more videos. I had to pay for memory for this computer, the internet bill, the rent. I'm paying more than the rent every month. Last month I paid $80 more, which put me in the hawk all month. I didn't pay that much this month, but in June I think I only had to pay like $100 toward the rent. So I will be going to Alien Con if I can afford the $124 ticket. I can come up with the money for it. No donations, I don't go. Have the iPad back. New memory will be in this computer soon. It means it won't crash all the time, and then I can start working on getting stuff for the MacBook Air. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.